GoalMentor is a platform that allows you to understand and create the specific tasks required in order to accomplish a specific goal. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to get stuck right in. I'm going to say my goal is to get 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I make videos on the best new AI tools every single day. Let's go with that. Okay, cool. I'm gonna leave this guide me button on. Let's click let's go and see what we can do here. How can we save some time, some energy, and some attention with this tool? Okay, cool. How many subscribers do you currently have? Less than 1,000. Sweet. How do you promote your videos? Well, yeah, social media. I haven't got a newsletter. I'm not doing paid ads. How else? I mean, it's mostly social media, if I'm being honest. So I'm just going to stick to that. What is your main channel? Or what is your main challenge? Sorry. Main challenge, I would say content creation is alright. Video quality is alright. I guess it's probably SEO because I'm getting more people who actually comment. How often do you interact with your audience daily? Do you analyze your video metrics? Actually, I've done some analysis on those, but nothing in depth. So I'm going to go with no. What type of videos do you primarily create? I usually do it's a combination of reviews and explainers. I'll probably say, what would I go with this? I'll say walkthroughs actually. Yeah, cool. Who are your primary competitors? They're not really my competitors. They're pretty far ahead at the moment, but let's go with MKBHD. What resources do you need to improve your channel? I would say, not really more time, just more marketing, really. Potentially some collaborators would be good as well. If anyone's looking to collaborate, and let's click submit and see what we get here. Okay, cool. So research effective SEO strategies for YouTube, update video descriptions and tags using SEO best practices. Okay, cool. So that's the first thing I need to do. It's quite interesting. Cool. I can also move these about, as you can see, so I can actually update video descriptions as well. I can go back and actually just update the video descriptions of old videos. Okay, cool. And that's what it's given me so far. Now I can add different sort of tasks. Well, I wonder what happens once I've done these. Okay, cool. So after I've done these, okay, cool. And then it gives me some more. Sweet. So yeah, this is a really good way to actually, get a step-by-step sort of plan on how to accomplish things. They have a credit system here, as you can see. You can try the pro version for free for 7 days. And it's only $5 a month, which is all right, or $30 for a whole year. That's pretty cheap, I'll be honest. So if you really don't know how to accomplish your goal, then this is definitely a great AI tool to help you break it down into clear, concise steps and tasks that you can easily follow. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.